Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. We're gonna make some cabbage rolls today. Please hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe for more videos when I upload more videos. Here's what we got. This is hamburger and sausage, and I'm going to add an egg. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of ketchup. And I'm going to add three teaspoons of garlic. One package of crunched up crackers. And my choice is Ritz crackers. And then one cut up onion. And while I'm doing this, I have already made and cooked 2 cups of rice. And I'll stir this up. And okay, the best way to get your cabbage off the cabbage is to boil it a little in some hot water. Ooh. Boil a little in some hot water. Take a paring knife. Take a paring knife and cut those leaves. And then they just peel right off. And there's your leaf. And that is the easiest way to get your cabbage ready to roll, baby. Okay. We'll be back. Okay, let's get wrapping. Here's our leaf. Here's our leaf. And we take a little bit of the filling that I got all mixed up. Add that in there. And then I take a little bit of rice and add that in there. And then I just roll this up and I fold up the ends and I add that. This is a sprayed casserole dish. I'm going to use this one, and then when I get done and I fill this all up, I'll fill it with my favorite spaghetti sauce, whatever spaghetti sauce that is and whatever brand that is for you. And then I put this in the oven at 350 for 70 to 90 minutes. I pull it out and let it cool, and then I put it in smaller containers or smaller bags, and I can freeze these. These make perfect freezer meals. It's great for the husband that goes for him to take to work on the truck, and great for busy days. But thank you for joining me, And if you want to see more videos when I upload them, make sure to join the family and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We would love to have you join us at the Buckeye Girls family. See you on the next video.